Okay, so the SOC is basically its full form as Security Operations Center. It's a dedicated facility to monitor and perform the incident response of threats, like threats. Okay, so they are treated as the first line of defense for any organization. Now, in simple word, I mean there are three major components when we talk about the SOC. We have people, process, and technology, or maybe the tools. So when it comes to people, then there are majorly three kind of team, which is SOC Tier 1, SOC Tier 2, and SOC Tier 3. When we talk about SOC Tier 1, they are responsible for the primary diagnosis. They look at the alerts. They perform they keep their eye on the dashboard, proactively monitoring every alerts on tools like SIEMs, which is security incident and event management tool. They perform the initial triage and they do the primary diagnosis. The idea is to remove any false positive and focus on what is really relevant. Next comes is the SOC Tier 2. Now, SOC Tier 2 they are the next level of escalation. They perform the incident response. They follow the incident response process where their job is to minimize the overall damage by removing the malware or the threat from the network. Okay, and they can also do the malware analysis, digital forensic, and everything related to that. Then we have SOC Tier 3, who they are very advanced. Most of the involvement they basically involved in the proactive threat hunting. Okay, so they work on proactive basis. They assume that the network is already compromised. Okay.